Hello everyone. Today, I will guide you on how to install Windows 11 over a LAN network. First, you need to download a tool called iVenToy. This tool allows you to host boot images over the network. You can boot into these ISO files on other machines via IPv4 boot. Extract the downloaded file. Prepare the Windows 11 ISO file. Copy it into the iVenToy ISO folder. Now launch iVenToy. You will be redirected to a website like this, with your own computer acting as the iVenToy host. I will check if my machine's local IP matches the iVenToy host IP. Since iVenToy uses IPv4, I will check if my IPv4 address matches. You can see that my local IPv4 address perfectly matches the host IPv4 address shown on iVenToy. Switch to the Configuration tab. In the UEFI boot file, I recommend setting it to ipxe.efi. You can check the Image Management tab to see if the Windows 11 ISO file is there. That's a bit of basic setup. Now I'm going to start iVenToy. Now, I will turn on the machine that needs the Windows installation to begin the process. I will restart the machine. I will boot into the BIOS first to enable IPv4 network boot. On my machine, it is located under Advanced Boot Options. Check the box for Enable UEFI Network Stack and click Apply. Now, I will open the boot menu and select IPv4 Network Boot. Since we are hosting via IPv4, we will boot into IPv4. After booting, I will check the host machine. You can see that a device with an IP ending in .200 has connected. We set the first connected device to have an IP ending in .200 and the last device to end in .219. You can connect up to 20 devices simultaneously in the free version. You can view detailed information about the devices connected to iVenToy. Now, I will adjust the screen resolution. I will select the ISO file to boot. I will choose to install the Pro Edition. Select Custom. I will delete all partitions related to Windows. Please be careful and select the correct partitions to delete, otherwise, you will lose your data. So, I've finished the installation. First of all, I need to adjust the screen resolution. I will check the system information. So, I have successfully installed Windows 11 Pro 25H2. If you like this video, please give me a like, share, and subscribe to the channel to receive more interesting videos about Windows. Have a great day.